Hey, it's Berta J. You're back in my kitchen with me today. This is the third in the series for our Thanksgiving meal. Today we're going to do some beans, some black beans with mushrooms. And I think you'll enjoy them. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to heat up a saucepan. I used my cast iron pan, and that's probably a really good even heating pan that you would want. So you're going to heat it up with 1/3 cup of vegetable broth. And then once it's heated and bubbling, then you're going to add 1.5 cups of mushrooms, chopped mushrooms. I used baby bellas. You could use whatever mushroom you really like. And then you're going to cook those mushrooms in that vegetable broth for 7 minutes. I timed it. It seems to be perfect. You want them softened, and you want them to be a little bit like softer and browner if you use baby bellas than they are when you first put them in. And then you're going to take those mushrooms out and you're going to set them aside in a bowl. You're going to use the very same pan that you used for the mushrooms. You're going to then take a half of a medium-sized onion. I used a Vidalia onion. Chop it up, and then you're going to add it to the same pan with 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. And once it's cooked until those onions are translucent, that's what you want to be able to see, that they're not steel white. Once they're translucent, add 1/2 of a chopped red pepper to that. Just stir that through for about a minute. All this is done on a medium heat. Once that's done, you need to then add back in the mushrooms that you set aside. And then you cook those together for about another minute. Then you're going to add, finally, 1 can of drained black beans. I didn't rinse them. I wanted some of that liquid that's on the beans, a little bit that stays attached to the bean, to be in this mixture. At the same time you put in your black beans, you're going to also put in 1.5 teaspoons vegan chicken seasoning. That's another video. And once that is all mixed into that bean mixture, you're finished. And so when you're finished, this is what it'll look like. These are my black beans with mushrooms, and I think you'll enjoy it. It's really good. I'm going to try. That's really good. And it'll go really well with the rest of the meal that I'll be preparing. One more, and then you're going to be done. You'll see the whole plate. Okay? So until next time, bye for now.